different person than I was
we're
this
ready
morning.
to start the vlog.
I know. This is when the real twinning is like very evident, you know?
Back.
Yeah.
Oh, I should straighten my, we should try to be twins again.
Yeah. Oh man.
We only have little plates available right now.
That is a-okay. Hello. Happy birthday. Today's your birthday. I have not even started the vlog really yet, and it's 1:30 in the afternoon. It's an interesting time, friends.
That's what kind of day we're having.
Yeah, I have not been feeling my best today after last night's debauchery, the truth or drink.
I'm nervous to go through that.
I know, I'm very nervous as well. It's gonna be a time. So, and today we have a whole day again.
We had more of a day that we were gonna do.
But yeah, we canceled part of the day.
Yeah, we're gonna, you know what? There's other days to do
Exactly,
things.
I totally agree.
And you know, this is
not up for it.
We're gonna get some work done, which is, you know, for the best.
Yeah.
And tomorrow is gonna be amazing.
It's gonna be so chill.
I can't wait.
I literally cannot wait. I can't even tell you. I'm so excited.
It's just gonna be us doing our thing.
Oh, your microwave makes a cute little song.
Right? Isn't
Nice.
that adorable?
Yeah.
Me and you doing things we like to do, aka sitting on the couch.
Yes.
Watching Harry Potter.
Yes, I am so excited for a little Harry Potter marathon. It's gonna be very fun. Yeah, it looks great. Very excited. We're having some leftover pizza for lunch today, which is gonna be so good. There are lots of people here doing things on Tara's house, so.
Fun day.
And here we are in our pajamas anyway.
Yeah.
Had to be done. Oh, I'm so excited for a Harry Potter marathon.
Me too. It's gonna be so fun. We'll like set the mood lighting.
Yeah. We bought popcorn.
It's gonna be raining. Like it's like the perfect.
I already know what I want for lunch tomorrow.
What do you want?
It's my favorite hangover meal, and it's gonna be at the end of a long time of just
Gonna be ramen.
Oh no! Although for dinner, that sounds
good.
great.
Yes.
But I want a Chipotle for lunch. Doesn't that sound good?
Brilliant. I've been actually craving for the last few days. I tried to order it the other night, but then I couldn't. They weren't like delivering at that time. So.
Well,
Yeah.
very glad that
It's gonna happen tomorrow.
I know it's my favorite. It makes me feel so much better every time I have Chipotle. There's a lot of noises. There's fire alarms are going off.
The fire alarm.
It was a time. I don't want to do it.
You know what? We didn't have the coolest restaurant in the city booked for tonight, and we canceled it.
I know, but we have to go. It's going to be very fun.
No one gets intimate.
Oh, I am so excited for this experience.
It's
gonna be good.
It has to be. In case anyone's wondering, it's much later. It's 5:52.
Wow.
We've had a day. We're still in our pajamas. We are now going to attempt to make espresso martinis with only a couple of set ingredients. We don't even have espresso. Actually, no, we do. No, we don't.
It just said coffee in the recipe I read.
Perfect.
I mean, I'm sure espresso is even better, but
We'll make it with an iced pod.
love it.
Yeah, we figured if we are gonna have to do this, which it seems we're going to have to do this, which is fine. We're actually
It's going to be very fun.
Yeah, it's gonna be a great time for sure. We just need a little kick to get it started.
A bit of energy.
Yeah, we only. Oh God,
I know, I'm looking rough.
and we're going to a nice restaurant, a nice bougie
I'm not early.
restaurant. I have agave syrup, maybe to sweeten.
Oh yeah, great idea. Love it.
Instead of like a simple syrup.
Yeah, and then just a little bit of creamer.
Yeah.
Ready
But
to
you know
roll.
what? This might end up being delicious. It may not, but it may.
And then frick it.
We're gonna find out. Come dance with me. So since we don't have a shaker, what if we put it in the frother?
Oh, that's a good idea. Just some ice and just like give it a little.
Yeah. A little mixeroo. Well, there's a cold setting. So
Oh.
I think it'll just cool it.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm not entirely sure.
Whatever, let's just give it a try. We're experimenting.
We are two girls on a mission for an espresso martini.
Our favorite.
Oh, we don't have the shot glasses.
Oh.
Wait.
Okay, that's fine. We'll just eyeball it a little. It'll be okay.
2 shots of vodka. I don't know.
No, it's okay. I'll tell you. There's probably 1, 2. Great.
Now we wait.
There she goes.
There we go.
Ooh. I'm very curious.
Me too.
The smallest little drinks. Ooh, froth. There we go.
Ooh.
That's good. I'm very curious what this is going to taste like.
I know, me too. It could be disgusting.
I know.
Or it could be like pretty good.
If it's gross, it really could set me on a bad path.
Oh, no. Alrighty.
I'm curious. It smells pretty okay.
It smells pretty okay. Here we go.
It's pretty good.
It could have been much worse.
Mm-hmm.
My initial was like, wow, yum.
Mm-hmm.
But then I tasted
Vodka. Yeah.
Yeah.
I know, it came at the end there.
I wasn't I was like, oh wow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the first flavor is amazing.
Yeah.
And then it's vodka at the end.
It's not horrible though.
Definitely drinkable.
Yeah, and it's so small anyway.
Yeah. Easy to get down the hatch.
Okay.
We'll sip on it when we get ourselves ready here.
Yeah, we have to leave in like 30. The humidity here is so brutal on my hair. God. I can hear Tara vlogging. So do I want to flip my hair? Yes, I think so. Very excited for tonight, guys. I know we already talked about it a little bit, but we are going to Myth in downtown, I think. And it's a Greek restaurant that apparently is very exclusive. So I'm intrigued to go and check it out. The menu looks really good. Lots of seafood on there for me, which I'm really looking forward to. And I'm so excited to meet Tara's friend, Maddie. Like, I've heard so much about her. For like mine and Tara's whole friendship, it feels like. Like, I always knew Maddie was her college roommate. And so it's gonna be very exciting to actually get to meet her in person finally. Going to be a fun time. I have a feeling that tonight may be another sort of drunk night. So again, we shall see what kind of vlogging happens. Should be interesting. But tomorrow, so Tara and I like really sat down and planned out our entire time together, like day by day, all the way through. And you know, because we love our chill time, so we scheduled in a day for tomorrow to do nothing. And that is the plan, and I am looking forward to it, you guys. We have a lot of fun things planned, but like chill. We're gonna be on the couch all day. Really, really looking forward to it. Exactly the way that I want to spend the day tomorrow. Honestly, how I want to spend tonight, but we cannot miss out on this opportunity. Go and check out this restaurant. I'm actually very excited. It looks really cool. And I'm curious because a lot of the photos online were taken during the day, it looks like. So I'm curious to see what the vibe will be in there at night. But we do not have much time before we have to leave. And I do not know what I'm going to wear to this place. People get like dressed up. So I got to have a look at what I have available. So we're just doing something like quick and lazy on my eyes here because there's no time. I need to spend time like on what I'm wearing more than my face. Hope you guys are enjoying the Toronto vlogs so far though. It seems like you are. I'm very curious once mine and Tara's stuff starts going up because I know how much fun it is. I know how much fun it is to watch us together. That sounds really stupid and conceited. I just know that you guys really enjoy that content. And the rest of the trip should be very fun. I think on Saturday I'm actually seeing some of Connor's friends, but should I say our friends? During the day, just for a little bit. We haven't figured out what we're doing on Saturday night yet, but potentially something with Carter and Matthew again. And then Sunday, we have a fun little day planned at at Tara's family's house, where I finally get to meet her dog. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm gonna get to squeeze Brady. I'm gonna lose my mind. Also, guys, so Connor is back home now. He just made it home yesterday. It's sort of late, and he has been sending me lots of videos of Molly Cat, and she's being very cute and sweet. I am so jealous that he gets to hang out with her right now. I love her so much. And apparently she's not playing hard to get, which is sort of funny. She'll probably still play hard to get with me because she is just a brat like that, but we'll see what happens. Oh, it is hot. I'm sweating. Take this off. Oh, yeah. Oh, step on the door. There we go. You did it? Good work.
Thank you. Music?
Music. I have to figure out what I'm gonna wear now.
Okay, I'm gonna put on just our Hawaii playlist.
Oh, I love it. We have pulled it together and we're heading out. Here we go.
Tara?
Yes.
Great.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Awesome.
Drinks have arrived. Maddie is you're so good to meet you. I love it. This looks so good. Oh my god. Okay, cheers. Cheers, everybody. Yay!
Watermelon margarita and like Moscow Mule.
Oh, it's very good. Yes.
Vloggers.
Yes. Oh my god. That is so cool. Thank you. Yay, cheers. Love it. We have calamari. We have flaming hot cheese.
Flamin' hot.
And these are zucchini chips, which look so good. Oh, thank you. A grilled octopus. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, feta salad, looking good.
Got some greens.
Yes.
I've been convinced to try the octopus.
Oh, I'm gonna die. I can't believe you're about to have octopus. You're gonna love it.
Those little suction cups.
You're gonna love it.
Can you peel the suction cups in your mouth?
Not on a piece that small. You're gonna be
But I
fine.
see them there.
You're gonna be fine. Go for it. Don't overthink it. Just eat it. Go, go, go. Go, go. Go. You have so many mashed potatoes there. You're not even gonna taste the octopus anyway.
I'm a fucking baby.
Do it. Do it. Do it. It's fine, eh?
Yeah. It's pretty tasty.
Yeah, it's really good. Look at her go. I'm so proud. So proud. I can't even tell you. Of course. This is a vibe. It's so cool. Oh, this place was very cool.
I'm very happy we're able to go.
Me too. So sick. All right, let's go.
For Jill?
Thank you.
Good, how are you?
We did it.
And we're back in company.
Made it out of the house, back into the house, and immediately back into pajamas.
Pajamas, our favorite.
So good. Myth was so yummy and such a cool
The
vibe.
vibe, and I actually like every angle was insane.
It was so cool.
The walls were awesome.
I know, the ones with like the ripples were very
All
cool.
I was looking at, really, I was very distracted.
It was
just by how
very cool.
cute it was. in
I
there.
know, yeah.
Walking in, like we could have been in some kind of cool city.
Absolutely. We are in a cool city.
I guess so. Yeah, but like somewhere out there.
Exotic.
Yeah.
It was great. So good to meet Maddie. I'm so happy that I got to meet her because I'd heard so much.
You're getting to meet.
And now I have like a good visual.
Yeah, a good visual of
I
Maddie.
know.
So fun. Like
I
I
know.
love like you're getting to like meet a whole bunch of people.
I know, it is good.
It's crazy.
And now we have a very chill rest of the night ahead. We are going to just relax, get onto the couch, get nice and comfy.
so
We're gonna
excited.
check out the Britney documentary on Netflix, which I'm really excited to see.
Yeah, I heard this one's really good too, right?
Yeah, I've heard good things about it, so I'm definitely intrigued. And it's just such an interesting situation happening there, so.
It's wild. I keep
I
up with it like
know.
every day.
I know,
I find it
right?
very fascinating.
So crazy, but good stuff.
good stuff. The best stuff.
And I guess that's it. I have no idea even where this day went. Can't believe we left the house and we're back.
I know, and it's gonna be Friday tomorrow. I'm stressed.
I
Joey.
know, my time here is running low.
Like, how is it? This is what, day 3? No.
What do you, oh, together you mean? Yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, day 3.
How is the time flying?
I know, it's so sad. It's so sad.
I'm stressed.
Tomorrow will be a good day though. It's going to be very chill.
It's gonna be the best day ever. We are the same person. We like the same things, and we love a chill, lazy day,
Oh,
especially
yeah.
with thunderstorms.
Oh my God,
It's
yes.
supposed to rain, I hope.
I'm very
It
excited.
sounds so good, like a nice fall, cozy couch day.
Oh my God, stop it. That
With
sounds
good
like everything.
food.
We have a lot of good food planned.
We do.
I'm
It's
excited.
gonna be a fantastic day. I hate us, but I love us.
Me too.
We're just clones.
So funny. Okay, thank you guys for watching today. Hope that you enjoyed it. Hope that you had a great day out there.
Yes, and a great birthday.
Absolutely.
If it was your birthday.
Yes. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.